The concrete drill. As any other tool, you want to inspect it in the same way. Inspect the cord for any breaks, tears, or exposed wires. Check the plug end for that the prongs are not broken or bent. Make sure that the forward and reverse switch is not broken and can slide back and forth into the proper positions. Check the trigger. When you press in, it should release back out and not stick. You have two functions, the rotary hammer and the rotary drill. Check that the chuck, when you pull back the sleeve, that it slides back forward. Check your drill bit, make sure that it's not missing any teeth. Make sure that it's sharp and no damage. When installing the drill bit, pull the chuck sleeve back, install the drill bit, and push the chuck sleeve forward. The drill is now ready to use.